Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Analytics with Amrita. So today we are solving one more question. So first let's check our database. What is it? So we are using orders table. So let's find the data first. This is our data. These many rows we have in our database. So let's read our question first. The question is write a query to find subcategories where average profit is more than the half of the max profit of that subcategory. Okay, so let's bifurcate the question first. Write a query to find subcategories. This is our first part of the question. Write a query to find subcategories. Okay, then the next part is where average profit. So second thing, we have to find the average profit. Next part is half of the max profit. Then we have to find the max profit. And on what basis? On the basis of subcategories. Okay, so there are four parts we have to find. So this is the first part we have done. Now let's do the second part, how we will find the average profit. So we will write select avg. We will use avg for finding the average profit. So we will write average profit as alias it as average profit from orders table. Okay, so after executing this query, we will get only one row because we are aggregating, so we are supposed to get only one row, so we are getting average profit. So let's do the second part, which is max profit. So again we will do the same thing. We will select max profit. We will alias it as max profit underscore max profit from orders. Let's execute this. So we will get the max profit. This is our maximum profit. This is our let's execute both the query together so that we can know what is our, this is our average profit, this is our maximum profit. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to these three parts are done. Now it's time for fourth part. We have to group by the max profit and average profit by subcategory. So what we have to do, let's write this as select. What we have to find, uh, those orders, we have to find only those orders which have average profit greater, which have average profit is more than the half of the max profit. जहाँ पे where the average profit is greater than the half of the max profit. So how we can write it? So we will write first select star from orders. Okay, so here we will write subcategory. We are getting subcategory from orders. Now what we have to do, uh, where average profit is greater. So first we will, what we will do, we will do group by. We will group by the result on what basis? On basis of subcategory, because here it is mentioned in that subcategory. So we will use subcategory. Now we are introducing one more function, one more keyword, that is having, which is used with group by only. Okay, having, what is the condition? Where average profit is more than. So how we can write here? We will use this function average profit, which we were finding here. Average profit, what is second, next is more than. More than, we will put sign here of greater than half of max profit. How we can find max profit? This is the max profit, and how we can find half? We will just put a divided by 2. Okay, so by doing this we will get our subcategories. These are our subcategories. Okay, So after doing this, what we should get? We should only get those subcategories where average profit is greater than half of the maximum profit. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, so as we can see, there we are getting no result here because there is no such order where average profit is greater than the max half of max profit. So let's put a 3 here. Let's see if there is any orders here. So there is 3. If we are dividing max profit by 3 here as well, we are not getting any orders. Let's put 10 here and let's see whether we are getting any orders or not. So here you can see there are two subcategories which have if we divide max profit by 10, then it's greater, the average profit is greater than that, so we are getting 2 orders. That means when we are putting here the half, we are dividing it by half, so it's showing that our query is right, but there is no subcategories like this where average profit is more than the half of the max profit. So this is how we should approach these kind of questions.